Finding the right tenant can make or break your rental investment. One of the biggest mistakes landlords make is rushing the screening process just to fill a vacancy. A great tenant is more than someone who can pay rent this month. You want consistency, reliability, and respect for your property. Start with a thorough application. Verify income and make sure it supports the rent amount comfortably. Always run credit and background checks to spot red flags early. Rental history is just as important. Past behavior is one of the best indicators of future behavior, so take the time to verify previous landlords and payment patterns. Another key tip is consistency. Every applicant should go through the same screening criteria to stay compliant with fair housing laws. Skipping steps or making exceptions often leads to costly problems later. If this feels overwhelming, Rentifi can help. We take out all of the guesswork and use state-of-the-art technology to get the best tenants for your rental because we treat your investment like it's our own. Reach out to us for a free rental analysis, and our information is in the description box below. Follow Rentifi for more property management tips and tricks.